Hello friends, today we are going to the city of Montreux in Switzerland. We started the journey from Zurich to Montreux by car on a Sunday morning. Montreux is located 210 kilometers away from Zurich. Located on the northeastern shore of Lake Geneva and backed by the Swiss Alps, Montreux is a breathtaking resort town in the walled region of Switzerland. Often referred to as the Pearl of the Swiss Riviera, it boasts a mild climate, world-class music festivals, historical landmarks, and spectacular lake and mountain views. To get a feel of the city, we walk through the main street, which has several shops on the left side of the road. On the right side is the beautiful Lake Geneva. As it was early Sunday morning, traffic on the road was very light and there were only a few pedestrians on the sidewalk. Our first stop was at Patra restaurant and cafe bar. This is an Algerian restaurant. As they had just opened it, we were the first customers there. After finishing our breakfast, we moved to do window shopping of other stores. This is a clothing store selling expensive dresses and footwear. Being an expensive place, this is ideal for window shopping. The next shop is Edo, which is a very well decorated and impressive gift store selling crystal items and souvenirs.
This is Abhisha. She is doing window shopping. Window shopping. She doesn't intend to buy anything, but to spend time, she's looking around. But she likes many things to buy from here.
If I had the money, I will buy everything.
Hopefully, your dad will give you money if you would. Bala,
Dad is
please.
smiling and
Yeah, please write a check for 1 million for her. Let her buy whatever she wants.
I forgot my checkbook.
It's a beautifully decorated shop. What's your name, sir?
Edo.
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 Oh,
Oh, Indo.
Yes.
That's your shop, Indo.
Yes, yes.
I see your shop.
Wow.
I see.
Yes.
You are from Montreux?
And I come from Italy. I am Italian.
Oh, yeah, Italian. Oh, I see. That's good. We are tourists here. We just
Where
came
you come from?
Washington, D.C.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So we were in Zurich for 3 days.
Okay.
So today, this afternoon, we'll go to Interlaken.
Interlaken.
We will stay there and then we'll go to Grindelwald tomorrow,
Okay.
and then go back to Zurich. Thank you, Edo.
You're welcome, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Nice of you to allow us to take the. He's the owner of the shop, and he has allowed us to look around and even take a videography. It's a very well-maintained place.
After exchanging a few pleasantries, we moved on to other nearby stores. We passed through 1820 cafe, restaurant and bar. Then there were a lot of chairs and tables kept on the sidewalk. On the opposite side, there is a bus shop, and there we could see a man waiting for his bus. Along the way, we could see several coffee shops and eateries. Being too early, the chairs were empty. My next visit was to Greyer's Cheese Shop. This is an exclusive shop selling different types of cheese. In French, cheese is called the fromage. There are also different types of wines and jams in this store. The next shop was Lucien, selling cakes, chocolates and pastries. On the window, the shop had displayed these delicious items. On the opposite side, we could see the beautiful Lake Geneva. After walking for some time, we crossed the road and went to a mall in the opposite side. In the mall, there were coffee shops, eyeglasses, pharmacy products, beauty products, watches, jewelry, and a coffee shop. We did a little bit of window shopping in this mall. On the corridor, there was a jewelry store. It had displayed many beautiful jewelry, including bangles, necklaces, and other beautiful ornaments. I hope you like this video. If so, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by Satyan Achar. Thank you.